prices are climbing, and they are set to go higher still as Indonesia, the world's largest coal exporter, imposed a temporary ban on coal exports as its inventories remain unseasonably low. Indonesia has implemented a temporary ban on coal exports after it became concerned that it may not be able to meet its domestic demand for the fossil fuel, risking blackout. So great is the worry that Indonesian President Joko Widodo threatened coal miners with revocation of their business license if they failed to supply enough coal for domestic use. Indonesia is the world's biggest exporter of thermal coal, accounting for 40% of the seaborne market for coal. Indonesia is expected to export 482 million tons of coal annually. Any ban on Indonesia's coal will therefore disrupt the global supply. Such a supply disruption could trigger another coal price spike, Morgan Stanley commodity analysts suggested this week. Coal has rallied substantially amid an increased demand for energy and tight natural gas supplies. Coal exporters have enjoyed the windfall profits as a result, particularly as the world shrugs off the cold shoulder it had previously given to the dirty fossil fuel. The coal rally began with China, which effectively banned imports from Australia before it eventually reversed the position out of necessity. Indonesia already has a mechanism in place to secure its domestic coal supply. This mechanism requires all coal miners in Indonesia to supply 25% of their output to the state utility at a maximum fixed price of $70 per ton. To compare, the benchmark Newcastle coal is currently trading at above $150 per ton. The Indonesian government said the ban is not final and will be revisited later this week.